We offer free sample. We have done a lot of Christmas decorations, and they are beloved by your friends from all over the world, especially Christmas wreaths. If you like this Christmas wreath, you must want to know, does it withstand fall, does color fade, does glue leak? Let's test and check it. She's still perfect. We could accept the mid-amount order. Fittings on land to the tourist order. Payment and bills both are safe. If this is your first time to do business with Chinese supplier, please firmly believe we are responsible for all quality problems. After more than 30 years effort, about 67% small buyers have grown into big buyers. Maybe you're the next big buyer. Let's build a better future together. Click here.